Hey guys, if your Windows 11 screen looks blurry, text is unclear, or apps look fuzzy, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you 4 working ways to fix blurry screen and font text problems in Windows 11. These methods are simple and work for most PCs and laptops. Method 1. First, we'll fix the most common cause, wrong display scaling or resolution. Right click on your desktop and open display settings. Under scale, choose the recommended value, usually 100%, 125% or 150%. Under display resolution, make sure it's set to recommended. If your resolution is lower than your screen's native resolution, everything will look blurry. After changing this, sign out or restart your PC to apply changes. Method 2. Now you fix blurry fonts using Windows ClearType. Press start and search ClearType. Open adjust ClearType text and make sure ClearType is turned on. Follow the steps and choose the text that looks best to you. This tool optimizes font rendering and makes text much sharper. Method 3. Sometimes blur happens because your graphics driver is outdated or broken. Right click Start, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, right click your GPU and click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically. If that doesn't work, uninstall the driver. Restart your PC. Windows will install a fresh driver automatically. This often fixes screen clarity and performance issues. Method 4. Sometimes only specific apps look blurry. Here's how to fix that. Right click the blurry app, click Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and change High DPI settings. Check Override High DPI scaling behavior, set it to Application, click OK and restart the app. This forces Windows to let the app handle scaling correctly. Now, final tip. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Visual Effects, turn off transparency effects if your screen feels unclear or laggy. So these were the 4 best ways to fix blurry screen and blurry text in Windows 11. Fix scaling and resolution, use ClearType, update graphics drivers, adjust DPI scaling for apps. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe and share it with someone who's facing blurry screen issues as well. Thanks for watching.